regarding the before, for the meaning of before, so the kanji like that. So here the stroke of that kanji, first, second. So here this is individually Gichu or Gachu. So here, so sound is mae, 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 mae. So again the stroke of that kanji. So again like that. So word sound and meaning. So here is namae, that means combinedly namae, namae, that means name. So how to write? So that this namae, namae. So namae, maegaki, that means preface or little writing before our composition. So preface, maegaki. So again mae, maegaki. So how to write gaki? This is the long. So here and again letter, this maegaki. So ga, and this is the hiragana ki, maegaki. So preface, preface. So ni nen mae, ni nen ni nen mae, ni nen mae, 2 years ago, 2 years ago, ni nen mae.